weeks, a day after their proposed talks with West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to resolve the impasse over the RG Kar issue fell through. Agitating junior doctors on Sunday took out a mega protest march in Salt Lake area demanding justice for the survivor. The doctors took out protest marching demanding justice for RG Kar survivor in the Salt Lake area, holding placards with slogans such as RG Noy Dabi Kar, don't request but demand in Bengali. Hundreds of agitators drenched in rain marched from Central Park to Swasthya Bhavan, the headquarters of the State Health Department, where they have been staging a sit-in for the last 6 days. Of course, raised demands for the resignation of Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal, West Bengal Health Secretary and other officials. Now, we're also getting a breaking news in the RG Kar case. The Chief Minister has called the junior doctors for a meeting. This is Mamata Banerjee's final call for talk. She has now invited the junior doctors for a talk. We'll have to wait and see. We'll get you all the details because this is going to be almost the third attempt that Mamata Banerjee is trying to break the deadlock over junior doctors, and as I said before, at 1 p.m. there is going to be an all India protest. Meanwhile, in decisive mood, the All India Residents and Junior Doctors Joint Action Forum, which calls itself as IJAC, has issued a nationwide call for solidarity, demanding justice for Abhaya, case involving a brutal crime that has sparked off widespread outrage. The forum has, of course, criticized West Bengal government's failure to deliver justice despite ongoing investigations by the CBI under the Supreme Court supervision. But as of now, breaking news, Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, has invited the junior doctors for talks. This is seen to be a final call for talks with the junior doctors. Let me now go across to Shumon Mahapatra, who is my colleague, who is right now live from Kolkata. Shumon, thank you for joining us. Shumon, this is a major breaking news. This will be the third attempt. We saw that first the doctor said live streaming. She said, no, I have to seek the court's permission. Again, she said, I feel insulted. I have waited here for so much of time. 14 people were called. You arrived with a big kind of a contingent. What has made her take this again, yet again, a decision to say, come meet me? Shumon, over to you, Shumon.
See, this is a big update coming from the Navanno itself. Chief Secretary Manoj Pant just mailed the junior doctors with the intimation of meeting today. The meeting is going to take place at the Kalighat residence of CM Mamata Banerjee. Let me show you the letter first. CS Manoj Pant had mailed this letter, and in this letter they have clearly mentioned that no live streaming, no videography. Only the minutes of the meeting will be recorded and signed by both parties will be signed and will be delivered to both parties. So this is the condition of the meeting, that no videography, no live streaming, only the minutes of the meeting will be delivered to both parties. Now let me tell you that few attempts are being made by government to break the deadlock. Now this is the fifth letter coming from Navanno to the protesting junior doctors. And let me tell you that junior doctors are just conducting a GB meeting now, and they will take the decision that what will be the approach after this letter came from Navanno. Now let me tell you that this general body meeting is going to be a serious one, because this live streaming and the videography, both conditions were made by the junior doctors and both conditions are being nullified by the government side. Now students are awaiting to join the dialogue session that will happen on 4/15 of today. but will they be able to join the meeting with these conditions? Now this is the big question. Let me tell you that CM Mamata Banerjee made a surprise visit to the sit-in protest area, and she assured that all demands will be fulfilled. After that, the doctors were travelled to the residence of CM Mamata Banerjee, but the meeting didn't take place because the CM and the MOS of CM Health Ministry, Chandrima Bhattacharya, told them it's too late. After that, again an approach made by the government side to break the deadlock. Let me tell you, tomorrow is the hearing at Supreme Court, where this junior doctor, protesting junior doctor, will argue, and they have replaced their lawyer Geeta Luthra by Indira Jaising. Indira Jaising will argue over Supreme Court behalf of these junior doctors. Now this letter came in the scenario, and CM Mamata Banerjee will meet them at 5 p.m. Today only at her residence Kalighat. Now junior doctors will be able to join the meeting with these conditions. No videography, no live streaming. What will be their call? This is the big question right now.
All right, you know, Shumon, as I see it, it's a very serious, because I think the apex court is also going to meet tomorrow. If I'm right, you correct me if I'm wrong, Shumon. The thing is, nothing has changed. The same conditions were given by the doctors, Shumon. We want live streaming. She's saying no live streaming, no nothing, only minutes of the meeting. You know, what are you picking up on the ground? Because look, amongst everything else, the patients are also suffering a lot, Shumon. I don't think the junior doctors want patients to suffer. But if this is the attitude of Mamata Banerjee, don't you think that this will again be back into the court of the apex court, Shumon?
See, the government is trying to narrate something. They are saying that 23 people died due to the cease work of junior doctors. Now they have announced 2 lakh compensation to each patient party who died during this session. Now government is trying to take the sympathy that junior doctor is not working. For that reason, we are losing our colleagues. We are losing our West Bengal people. Now the junior doctors are also aware about the situation. So they want to make the clear argument before Supreme Court tomorrow that no one is affecting the health system of West Bengal government, because there are only 7,500 protesting junior doctors. The faculties, the doctors their numbers are enough from them. Now let me tell you that CM Mamata Banerjee from the very first day had cleared it out that no live streaming, no videography will happen. Now, where there is transparency, junior doctor asking this question: if there is no videography from our side, how can we believe that your videography is correct? Another question they are just putting in front of Mamata Banerjee, that why this is you are getting this fear that why this live streaming is not possible. Now CM Mamata Banerjee told them that this case is under jurisdiction. This is a sub judice case. The apex court will hear it tomorrow, so I can't go for a live streaming.
You know, Shumon,
but the other lawyers,
Shumon,
the
sorry,
retired,
Shumon,
judge,
I want to ask you, Shumon, I want to ask you that videography has been allowed, no? So that is a forward movement, but you are saying, doctors are saying, how can we trust your videography? Because last time she said no to videography also, no, Shumon?
She said no to videography from the doctor's side. She said there will be camera from our side only. Okay. The camera person will be from our side. Now doctors told them that, okay, we are ready with that. But with your camera person, there will be someone who is from our side also. But Mamata Banerjee denied that no, this is not possible. Only the signed minutes of the meeting will be delivered to both parties. Now junior doctors, after everything, they are doing the GB meeting, and as per I know, as per the GB meeting source, they will go to the meeting today. But still under question that will they be able to join the meeting under all the conditions made by the government side.
On that note, thank you very much, Shumon Mahapatra, for joining us on this broadcast.